Flying to Vietnam for just 11 rupees? Sounds impossible, right? But it's real. VietJet Air is offering flights from India to Vietnam at just 11 rupees. But wait, there's a catch. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to book these tickets, when to book, and what the actual cost will be after taxes. So stay tuned. What's the deal? Super sale flights from India to Vietnam for 11 rupees. Available from Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kochi, Hyderabad, and Ahmedabad. Flies to destinations like Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang. Booking opens every Friday on VietJetAir.com. Travel period: February 10th to September 30th, 2025. Sounds amazing, right? But how much will it really cost? Let's find out. Let's find what's the real price after taxes. 11 rupees is just the base fare, but after taxes and airport fees, the final price is usually 4,000 to 7,000 rupees for a one-way ticket. Still, that's way cheaper than the usual 15,000 to 20,000 rupees fares. Pro tip: these tickets sell out fast. You need to book as soon as the sale goes live. How to book 11 rupees tickets? 1. Go to the special VietJetAir.com. 2. Select your city and Vietnam destination. 3. Pick travel dates between February 10th, September 30th, 2025. 4. Look for the 11 rupee fare option, available only on Friday. 5. Book immediately before it's gone. Pro tip: try booking at midnight or early morning for better chances. Is this deal worth it? You can save 10,000 plus rupees on flights if you grab this deal. Vietnam is stunning and budget-friendly. Cheap food, beautiful beaches, and amazing culture. 11 rupees doesn't cover taxes, but even after fees, it's still a crazy deal. So, are you ready to book your 11 rupee flight and explore Vietnam? Share with your friends and let them know about this insane deal. Have questions? Drop them in the comments.